Hello everybody, this is The Dumb. So, it's been a while since I uploaded my last video. The last time I uploaded was in November. At first I was just taking a break, with the holidays. Some things led to another and months goes by so fast, and now it's been 6 months. But we are back and will continue the game development. At first I was planning on using my own voice for this video. But, just like before, I still can't do it and it's hindering my progress. So I decided to use text-to-speech again, because making progress is more important right now.
Failure!
As I mentioned in my previous video, I'm focusing on creating humanoid models in Blender, breaking this big wall on my gaming dev journey called character modeling. After watching tutorials and experimenting, I think I can finally make my own model. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for me. You're probably thinking, why not just download models on the internet? There are a lot of free models on Mixamo. I might have not mentioned it in my previous videos, but the reason why I am creating this game is to learn programming and the basics of game development, and that includes character modeling and animations. Not because I already created my own character model, then discovered Mixamo, and now I do not want my effort to go to waste, so I am making these excuses. Okay, let's go back creating this model and answering at Rick Spacey's comments. This would give you guys an idea on why I do things the way they are.
I get it. You probably saw videos deving a game from scratch, and the videos themselves are popular, but that genre is already dying out. Besides, try to be a bit more authentic about your video ideas.
I am grateful for your comments and suggestions. Yes, I have watched this kind of video in the past, and I really enjoyed it. But I did not make this video because they got more views. I made a game development video because I wanted to learn programming and make a game on my own. I suck at naming things, so I asked ChatGPT for advice and boom. We got creating a game from scratch. I might have created a video on that genre not because I intended to, but because of what I can create at the moment. I am new to YouTube and game development, and I have no idea what I am doing. I am just uploading what I have created and calling it a day. I have a habit since I was a child where I overthink things, and then decide not to do it eventually. So for this to work, I have to change things a bit. I have to just do what I can and call it a day. Also, I don't think it's bad to copy video ideas, especially if you're just starting out. As long as you're not copying every detail of someone else's video, repeating every word they said, or doing exactly what they have done. Just like the comment, he said, I was just following a genre. I think there is nothing wrong with it. I am just doing what I can do at the moment.
Other than that, I congratulate you, since coding a game from scratch is very hard. In your stead, I would have made a one-part only video, since starting off YouTube with a multiple-part series is generally hard.
In the future project, I do plan to make a single video on each game. I only make this video in series because I don't even know if I can finish this project. But since I have already come this far, I think I can make a simple game in one video. I hope I can upload at least once a month.
Also, try to add some background music, effects, maybe memes and such, since YouTube's algorithm likes funny creators. Anything that makes the video seem entertaining is good, I guess.
I am definitely going to add music on my future videos, although being funny is something I struggle with. I never even once in my life described as funny. A girl once called me a pervert though.
YouTube is harsh to new creators, and you should take your mind off of creating videos if you wish for anything more than a passion project. I don't want to discourage you, but it's hard to get up there.
The truth is, at first I was only creating games to learn programming and used it on my resume so I can apply as a programmer. The first game engine choice I had was Unreal Engine because it uses C++ language, and the jobs I wanted to apply to required C++ experience. But my PC can't handle it, so I switched to Unity. So I am not really planning on becoming a full-time YouTuber. But circumstances change, so I think I might focus on creating videos, hoping that my game development skills improve over time. The truth is I am kind of lost in life right now. I do not know what to do. But unlike in game, life do not have a pause button, and we are always playing on hardcore mode, so we can only keep playing. Or wait for Truck Kuhn. So I am going to be making games while I figure things out, hoping things goes well.
I'm sorry if I appear to critic why, but I had this urge to offer you feedback. I hope you can make the most out of my advice. Good luck, man.
Comments like this is part of the reasons why I uploaded my progress on YouTube. because I tend to get stuck most of the time, and I was hoping Step Bros comments would give me ideas on how I should proceed. Your comments and suggestions are much appreciated. Thank you for the time. Let us go back on the game. It takes me 2 days to finish this game character. Then I also created some animation and imported them on Unity. I have made some progress that I didn't record, so first let me show you what the game looks like so far. I created a main menu using buttons, prioritizing functionality over design. The New Game option allows players to start a new game from scratch and choose a name for the save file. Load game if you have existing saved data. You can also delete the saved data from here. Settings doesn't do anything right now, and exit let you close the game. Let us create a new game to test this out. Let me name the saved data a very unique and creative name. Testing game. Then click play. This is what the character looked like in game. It is not as good as on Mixamo. I feel like it get a downgrade from the first character I used before. But I created this with my own hands, so this will do. I created a walking, running, jumping, and falling animation. I also recreated the movement script since I was using the third-person controller asset before. The environment changed a lot. I added a variety of trees and stones. I also follow a tutorial on how to add a grass, and this give the game look so much better than before. Pressing the F1 button pause the game and give the player an option to save and exit the game. As you can see, the created data is now available on the load game options. I also have added tools like axe, pickaxe, and a hoe. Each tools have its own uses. I created an animation for carrying and mining and cutting trees. As of right now, the pickaxe can be used for breaking stones. There is no visual effects and sounds yet. Next is the axe. Of course, it is used for cutting trees and probably as a weapon. The hoe is going to be used as your mother. It lets you place plots that can be used for farming.
Nice.
I also created some new building items, and with that I think those are the things I have added that I wasn't able to record. And with that I will be ending this video here. I am just providing an update that I am still breathing and still working on the game. In the next video we will be focusing on the gameplay and hope that it will be playable by then. Also, do you guys have any idea where I can upload this game once it's done? I tried Patreon, but my account got deactivated as soon as I created it. I sent an email to them, and it's asking for my details through email, which I am not comfortable sending. Steam is also not an option because it requires a payment to upload a game, and I am broke, so please let me know on the comments. Thanks for watching.